Good morning, Flash. Did you sleep well?
Good morning, Papa. Yes, I am ready for the day.
How are you feeling this sunny morning?
I am happy and very hungry.
Who wants some crunchy carrots?
Oh, me. Can I have some, please, Mama?
Of course, my dear. Here you go.
Mama, it looks yummy.
You are very welcome, little one.
Oh no! My big tower is gone.
Oops, I am so sorry, Zumi. I didn't mean to break it.
That's okay, Flash. It was just an accident.
I want to make it better. Can I help you, brother?
Yes, let's build a castle together. Flash, can you give me that blue block, please?
Here it is. We are a great team.
What a wonderful day we had.
Remember, kind words are like magic.
Goodbye, friends. See you soon.
Have a lovely day, everyone. Bye-bye.